Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, magba-band feature tayo at kikilalanin natin ang bandang Aurora Skies, isang metalcore band sa Cavite, at alamin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang musika. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Aurora Skies is a melodic metalcore band from Cavite. The band started in 2022. Their music influences were Valleychrome, Alesana, and Triple. One of the highlights of their band journey is they participated in Red Horse Pambansang Musiklaban and ended as semi-finalists. Due to this, they gained prominence in the local underground scene. They had a short hiatus in 2025 due to personal reasons. However, they are planning to return in 2026 with a new lineup and a possible EP release on the third quarter of the year. So, na-discover ko ang bandang Aurora Skies dahil kay Renz, ang kanilang vocalist. So, shoutout sa iyo, Renz. At discover ko ang kanilang music nung shinare niya ang kanilang track na The Duel. At currently, pabalik sila sa eksena, so we want to support them as well. So, I want to share this track entitled The Duel by Aurora Skies, and I hope you like this video. And that was Aurora Skies The Duel. So, ano ba ang masasabi ko sa kanta na to? So, the first time I heard this track, wow, talagang na-blew up ang mind ko. Yung bigat, yung angas, nandun eh. Talagang as in all out talaga ang kabigatan ng kanta na to. At gusto ko yung growls, solid, talagang nagdi-drill talaga sa mind mo. At you won't hesitate to bang your head whenever you listen this track. It's a pure metalcore track at kung big fan kayo ng Bullet for My Valentine, As I Lay Dying, this track is very suggested, no? So, ang galing ng execution nila at saka yung gusto ko rin yung guitar solos dun sa mid part, talagang nag-enjoy ako ng lubos. Ang linis at talagang pulido yung guitar plays at napakabigat kaya talagang may enjoy mo siya. So, overall, nagustuhan ko ang banda nila. So, suportahan natin ang bandang Aurora Skies sa kanilang pagbabalik gig this 2026. At check out nyo yung kanilang Facebook page. Available yan sa description. Kaya check out nyo yung kanilang musika. Napaka-solid. Kaya thumbs up ako dyan. Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days. Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa banda Aurora Skies. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Kian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!